Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making a hair mask treatment using rice, aloe vera, and castor oil. The amino acids in rice increases hair strength by improving elasticity, strengthening the shaft, and promoting the growth of hair follicles. Aloe vera for hair growth works by hydrating the scalp, removing buildup and supplying vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants that support stronger follicles and reduce shedding. You can apply this treatment for 45 minutes with shower cap before shampooing.